Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Celuk Village in Bali. This area Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Celuk Village in Bali. This area we call Celuk. And today I be in Artika's Keris, gold and silver. In this gallery, they sell silver and gold. And the artist here is very professional, so they make a good design on silver. And this gallery sell only good quality of silver. So if you want to know how to like the condition at the moment in this gallery, during the pandemic corner, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Celuk area, the Silver Village in Bali. In this area we call Silver Village because almost every house they have like home industry, they making silver at home. So that's why this area we call Silver Village. And there is a lot of people from other country. They come to this village to buy a lot of things of silver, and then they resell again in their country. Because in this area we have a lot of silver jewelry. Actually also we have gold, but gold is not so famous because too expensive. Okay guys, now we are in the main street of Celuk Village. So left side and right side there is a lot of silver shop. You see left side, there is Angel to Angel. It's a big gallery for jewelry in this area. And before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of tourists come to this area to buy silversmith, like jewelry. But you see there is not so many cars today because there is not so many tourists come to this area. Bali very famous for the art, also for the carving, so that's why they make very good design on silver. And lots of people come to this area just to buy shopping of jewelry. Okay guys, today we will review one gallery we call Artika's Keris Gold and Silver. We will see how look like the condition at the moment during the pandemic corona in Bali. Okay, you see the big building right side? It's very beautiful, isn't it? So we will visit Artika's Keris Gold and Silver Jewelry. Okay, now we are in Artika's gallery. You see the gate? It's very unique and very beautiful, isn't it? In this gallery they have a lot of big statue and beautiful carve. So that's why every time I took my customer to make a trip in Bali, I try to come to this gallery to do some shopping silver with my customer. Artika's Keris Gold and Silver Jewelry. Very beautiful gate here. This is the parking area from this gallery. It's very beautiful, isn't it? But you see, it's just very quiet, no car here. Usually there is a lot of car before the pandemic corona, and lots of people come to this gallery to buy lots of jewelry. But today is no one, I mean no customer, because still quiet for Bali. Before the pandemic corona, some people sitting there, they doing carving on silver. But because the pandemic corona and no customer, so they not working today. They get impact of this corona. Okay guys, if you just find this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, also share this video. You see the door at the front? There is the door to go to inside gallery, but we cannot make video inside. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.